I have here an Iomega Clik. This is otherwise known as a pocket zip, which is a tiny little floppy disk. Wow, that is pretty cool. So there's the disk, and that's just a tiny little disk, and there is a floppy inside that, so this is probably the world's smallest floppy disk, and we can have a look at it. First we unlock the mechanism and we can slide it open, and there it is there, the world's smallest floppy disk. This unit here comes with the disk drive, and this is a PCM CIA format or PC card, go in most laptops, which simply slots into the end of the PC card as such. If you've seen some of my other videos, you'll know I really like small mechanisms. In fact, I've already done a video on the world's smallest hard drive, so it seems fitting that I now do one on the world's smallest floppy disk. Now I need to work out a way that I can do a teardown on this, even though there doesn't appear to be any way to take it apart and not completely damage it. So first, I think we'll test it. Let's dig out a computer with a PCMCIA slot and get this thing up and running. We'll get a period specific computer. The Clik drive came out in 1999. This computer dates to about 2002. So that's pretty close. Okay, first up we'll get the drive. We'll get it into this computer. We have a slot here on the side. Straight in it goes. Okay, good. Now we'll open a window so that we can see. Okay, the drive detects immediately on Windows XP, so there we have Iomega Clik drive G. So let's get the disk. And we'll put it into the drive. I can hear it spinning. I'll record that for you so you can have a listen. Okay, I'm going to start by copying a file that will fill almost the entire 40 megabyte capacity of the Clik disk. Okay, so that should start copying. There it goes. So we'll see how fast that is. So if you look closely there, you can see that we're copying an LGR video onto the disk itself. So LGR did a great video on the Clik. He included lots of history, different use cases for the disks, why it failed, and in typical LGR fashion, he ran Duke Nukem directly from the disk itself. Okay, that's almost copied. It's saying 15 seconds left. So it's relatively quick to get the whole almost 40 megabytes onto this disk. Done, copy complete. I have an idea. I'm going to play LGR's video directly from this Clik disk, and hopefully that will invoke the spirit of LGR and let the magic happen. There we go. There's LGR's intro. Let's just skip around a little bit. It's playing directly off the disk, remember. There's LGR examining the disk. This video is highly recommended and well worth watching. Let's go full screen. Oh, there's Clint from LGR. Something's happening, here we go.
Yeah, this is why I didn't go any further in the video. Oh, this sucks. So now the mechanism is not going to work, but actually it kind of still does. Wow. That's pretty cool. Oh yeah, obviously that's not working precisely how it would have anymore, since that lid keeps a lot of this in place, but yeah, well, that's just the idea of it. Rest in peace, drive.
Okay, so there we have it. And thank you to Clint from LGR, who helped me see what's inside the Iomega Clik disk drive. That was the Iomega Clik disk.
Nothing beyond my... Nothing beyond my... control. Nothing beyond my... Nothing beyond my... control. Nothing beyond my... control.